Okay, so here we are looking at anticipated difficulties for the earthworks topic. We're going to focus firstly on a curved road. So students will more than likely find this difficult as it is something different than what they have seen before. So we're going to focus on this question in the book. Figure 15.23 shows ground contours at 4 meter vertical intervals. ABCD is the center line of a proposed roadway. So A, B, C then is our curve, and D is the end of the road. With the center of the curve is at O, so we've O there. The roads have the following specifications. So formation width is 14 meters. So as we know, that is the width of the road. The formation level is 52 meters. So that is going to be the height of the road. We know this is a level road because we have no slopes indicated so far. So the side slopes for cutting are 1:1.5. So we're going to work out that in a minute. And the side slopes for embankment are 1:2. We'll work that out now. So how do we find our intervals? For cut, we were told that it is 1:1.5. We were told in the question that the ground contours are at 4 meter intervals. So all we do is multiply 1.5 from the ratio by 4. This gives us 6 millimeter intervals for our cuts. The fill is 1:2, so the same thing. We multiply 2 from the ratio by 4, which gives us 8 mil for the fills. Okay, so we'll crack on to our question and hopefully it'll become clearer then. So, first thing we do, we will start and we'll just give one look at the question and we'll see that our contours 64, 60, 56, 52. So we seem to be going downhill here into the 40s and we're going downhill. So we're actually going downhill the whole way. So we expect to get to a 52 meter formation level. So we'll just mark that in there. 52 meters along the dotted line. We expect to see a cut along here, maybe a fill in around here to bring up the 40s into the 52 range. And then as we can see the contours going around, maybe a fill around here again. So the first thing we're going to do is draw in our road. So as we can see in the question, the scale is 1:1000. Therefore, each millimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we're going to go 8 millimeters each side of the road, parallel to the white line, up as far as B, and the same here, up as far as B. Okay, next we're going to deal with the curve. So what will happen here is the same as what's going to happen for our lines that we need to find our cuts and fills. We've given the center O, so we're going to stretch O out to where our road is and bring that around. Same thing, we're going to stretch out to the top and bring that around. So the key principle involved here is that by having one center point, we are creating concentric circles which will keep an equal distance all the way around the road. So as we can see, these are parallel, therefore we have an equal distance either side of the white line. We're creating the same thing here by using the one center point. So I'm just going to finish off the formation here. Bring that all the way down and bring this all the way down. Okay. So for our cuts, we're going to start with our cuts here at this side. We were given that it is a 6 meter interval. So first thing we're going to do is draw a vertical line up. And what this will do, and down. This will give us kind of a guide. So we're going to step 6 millimeter intervals off here. 6, 12, 18, 24. That should do. So next, I'm going to fill these in red. So our red is going to be for our cut. So I'm going to draw these across now, and the key thing here is that they're parallel to the road. So here, okay, now we must label these. So the road is 52 meters off the ground. So we are cutting. Therefore, we are going up, our slope is going up. So we'll see from our resource later on that the land will be cutting upwards. Therefore, here is going to be 56 meters, because we're adding 4. We were given that our ground contour is 4 meter intervals. So the next one is going to be 60 meters, 64 meters, and 68 meters. Okay. Next we're going to do is mark off where our 52 contour meets the road. So our 52 meter contour meets the road here and here. There are our starting points. Next is just follow the dots. So 56 meters along this red line. We go to our 56 meter contour, which is here, and mark a dot. Next, we go to our 60 meter contour line, follow it across the red parallel line and mark it off. And the same thing, 64, mark it here. Then we draw a curve joining these dots, and that is the cut required to bring this road up to 52